What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy episode. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and today I am going to be tackling these Air Max 90 Bacons that our good friends over at KYX World went ahead and got trashed for us because they want to put us to the test and see what we can do if we can bring these back to life. Now, I am excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by KYX World. If you don't know who KYX World is the premier limited release sneaker subscription program. For the first time, sneakerheads can choose from over 350 of the hottest drops without needing a plug or spending thousands of dollars on the resale market. KYX World is the new plug. So head over to KYX.world right now and sign up to start rocking the hottest kicks. I'm also excited to announce our giveaway. We'll be giving prizes to 3 lucky winners. First place winner will be winning the Air Max Bacon using this video, a level 2 subscription to KYX World, and a Reshoevn8r Air Max Bundle. Second and third place winners will win a level 2 subscription for 1 month to KYX World and an Air Max Bundle as well. All you have to do to enter is click the link in the description below and follow all the steps. The giveaway will end on 4/9 and the winner will be announced on 4/15 during our next cleaning episode. Good luck! Once again, guys, make sure you check out KYX World for all your sneaker rental needs. And without further ado, let's get bubbly. Woo! Now for today's video, we are going to be using the Reshoevn8r signature kit, just in case I have to put these in the wash because they are really muddy, but if I don't have to use it, even better. So for today's video, I am only going to clean the right shoe, so I'm going to put the left one to the side. Now the first step, remove the laces. All right, now that the laces are removed, let's go ahead and grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are a size 9, so it's probably gonna be about right here, about the middle. What that's gonna allow me to do, guys, is apply more pressure to this toe box, and it's also gonna help reshape it as well. Now, typically, I would say move on to putting solution in the bowl, but since there is a lot of mud on here, we wanna get rid of that first. So I'm gonna take a dry medium brush and just try to get as much of that off as possible. There you go, guys. I went ahead and got off as much dirt as possible. Now the shoe still looks dirty and dingy, which is okay. That's exactly what I expected. There's just not big chunks of mud on the shoe now, so I don't have to worry about my water getting too dirty. But now, guys, the next step is to grab your bottle of solution and pour 2 squirts into your bowl of water. And I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I just started to clean, and I do want to point out that the shoe is starting to bleed. You can see like that pink color on the bristle here, along with the suds all over the shoe. Now, I'm not sure if it's the pink swoosh or if it's the nubuck material, but there is some bleeding. So if this occurs, just make sure you grab your towel, pat it dry real quick, and then you can go ahead and continue the cleaning. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the entire uppers. As you can see, they cleaned up really nice. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, there was some color bleed coming from the nubuck material. As I went ahead and cleaned the toe box in this area here, I noticed it even more that it was coming from the nubuck, not so much the swoosh. Now, you want to be very careful whenever you're cleaning suede or nubuck, guys, that is dyed, because that's just going to happen. You might get some color bleed that's really bad, and you might not get any at all. But if that does happen, you want to make sure you get your towel, pat it dry as soon as you're done cleaning it, and then move on to cleaning the entire shoe. Because if I only clean one section and I don't clean the entire thing, there's going to be water stains in this nubuck or suede material, so you definitely don't want to do that. But now, guys, I'm going to move on to the midsole because we still have some dirt in this air unit here, and use the medium bristle brush. All right, the midsoles are looking nice and clean, guys. Go ahead and check out that 360 real quick. Now the last step is to clean the outsole, and I'm gonna do so using our stiff bristle brush. All right guys, now the last step is to clean the laces. So I'm gonna put the shoe over to the side, but beforehand, I need another towel because this one's looking a little busted. So Connor, can I get another towel please? Thank you, sir. Now let's grab our laces here. We're gonna dip them in our bowl of solution and water mixture. Get them nice and soapy. And of course, we're gonna scrub them in between our hands. All right guys, the laces are all done and clean. Now the last step to do is let these shoes dry for about an hour. So I'll see you in just a bit. All right guys, we are back. I went ahead and let these shoes dry for about an hour, and as you can see, they came out perfect. I'm really happy with the way they cleaned up. Now the last step, guys, is to reset the nap on this suede. Now it's a little crunchy, and that's just what happens when you clean suede. After it dries, it gets a little crunchy. So I'm gonna take the brush from our dry suede kit, and all I have to do is just hit it in multiple directions just to bring that nap back. I'm gonna do the same thing on the red uppers as well. All right guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. This shoe came out a lot better than I expected. Honestly, I was really nervous when I started to clean it and it started to bleed. I know I probably didn't show that on camera, but I did get nervous because most of the time when something bleeds, it fades, but thankfully it wasn't the case on this shoe. It cleaned up really, really nice, and now it's ready to get sent back to KYX World for someone else to rock. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.